Two rooms can have the same budget but feel completely different. The expensive room is not always filled with more furniture. It usually has a clearer layout. Your eye knows where to look first. The bed, the wall, the rug, and the storage all support one calm decision. Then the room gives your body a path. You can walk in, turn, sit down, open the curtain, and nothing feels blocked. That invisible ease is a luxury signal. The next layer is repetition. When the wood, fabric, rug, and light repeat softly, the room becomes easier to understand. And when a room is easier to understand, it feels calmer. That is why expensive interiors often feel edited, not full.